Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, this is a good one. The energy is right, the sun is out, I'm off work, we got a good mask. I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait to see this in person. Like I have not been hyped for a mask in a while, and I can't wait till I fix my background, got this new shelf. I'm not pumped to put it together. I don't got a strong man right now to help me put this well, not right now, but yeah, anyways, I'm gonna get to the video. This mask is so rare and it's so hype because let me tell you, I got the confirmation by Mike freaking Covert at MC Studios. Follow that man, he's amazing, king. He confirmed that this was legit because whenever I saw the listing of this, I'm gonna hype it up, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna do that to you. Whenever I saw the listing and for the price, I was like, I need to buy it right now. I need to buy it right now. This is so rare. And for the price, guys, I'm so excited. I cannot believe I have this in my hands. This is like one of my dream masks. This is one of my freaking bucket list mask. And honestly, I'm hyping it up and I cannot wait to show you, and I cannot wait to see it in person. My heart's beating. It literally feels like I'm on a date. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, you guys see the first look? Y'all are special to me. I love you guys. PO box is still open if you guys want to send me anything. I've been loving the PO box unboxings. I can feel it, but I'm scared. I'm scared. Am I holding it right? I'm scared. What if we drop it? I'm scared. Am I holding this right? Let me open my eyes. I don't think I'm holding this right. I'm not even posing. Yo. Ooh. 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 Bruh. If you guys follow me on my art account, Cute Her Art, you guys know I painted a Cesar clown mask before. It has some freaking, it does have some damages, but you guys have no idea how bad I've been wanting one of these. Oh, you guys have no fucking idea how much I've been wanting to want one of these masks. This was listed for $60 on Mercari. $60, a 1988 Cesar clown mask. The listing says Cesar whistling clown mask. Background, good question. I have appreciation for Cesar mask. I'm not very knowledgeable about that. I can recommend you to some channels that are knowledgeable and that have more gigabytes in their brain cells than I do. I cannot hold any information. If you told me any information about your dog right now, I'm gonna forget. Okay, I'm gonna forget. So I have an appreciation even though if I'm not knowledgeable. Call me the poser of the mask community. I don't give a fuck. I'm just stoked that I have this mask. I just like collecting cool shit. That's it. This is just so freaking dope. This is one of the masks that this is one of my holy grails. I know this is like pretty easy for a mask collector, serious mask collector, no hobby to find, but honestly for the price, I'm just so stoked. And I literally don't have anything else to say other than fuck yeah, I love this mask. They're so fucking fly. Get the fuck away, bitch. And I have nothing else to say other than this was really amazing to come home to, and I can't wait to get this video up, and I can't wait to get back to the roll of things. I did get a bookshelf to put on here. I want to give more love to this side and display more of the masks that I have on this wall. Like you see, that angle just looks cool. But yeah, I'm gonna put on this mask. They stuffed the nose too. The nose was stuffed. So yeah, I'm gonna put on this mask. I'm gonna do some close-ups. But yeah, I'm freaking stoked. I'm so glad that I check Mercari and Depop often. And yeah, people are like, where you get your mask? It probably costs a lot. No, I got this for $60, bruh. $60. I know people are like, oh, you say bruh. Yeah, what about it? Also, if you want to support the channel, I do have a Patreon as low as $3 to $5 a month. That's like spending $5 for some shit. You know what to do. If you guys want to support the channel, watch these videos or Patreon, you know. And thank you guys so much for showing me some endless amount of support and love. And thank you guys for never judging me and just watching my videos just because. Like, for me, I never claimed to be a serious mask collector. I'm just collecting cool shit that I like. And I'm glad that I have friends in the hobby that I love and adore. And today's Mother's Day, so I hope everybody had a great Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to your mom. I'm glad your mom got you out of her stomach. I don't know what else to say. This is so awkward, but yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. I dropped my phone and I'm like, who? Huh? Who? Ignore the back of my head. Oh, hell no. This is nice.